I've worked with them a number of times on budgets and so forth, and more often than not, they're nested in with the electrical contractor as a sub to them, so we don't do it directly. But in the near future, I think it's probably going to happen because they're branching up and getting more and more of a player in the AV side of things, and I'm seeing the AV packages being broken out as separate now, rather than being nested with the electrical. No, they're all about client service. David and Don, they really push these guys to make sure that they understand what the client's looking for and get it for them.